At RAZRLAB, we are building ever-evolving platforms to help businesses achieve their goals and gain an edge over their competition. Our niche is our collective experience as well as our very specific application development process and principles. In recent years, telecom operators have been facing pressure to reduce costs, increase customer base, improve the average revenue per user, and offer innovative products and services. Moreover, developing countries are seeing their population's eagerness to be connected, thereby rapidly increasing mobile phone penetration in these countries. The lifeline of this connectivity is the cell tower, also known as the Base Transceiver Station. When one of these towers go offline, there are many consequences, such as lost revenues in hundreds of thousands of dollars, penalties in millions of dollars, and a lot of upset customers. There are many reasons why cell towers can go offline. For example, telecom equipment going into a hung state, running out of diesel for the generator, and of course, generator failure. In order to mitigate some of these causes as well as for general monitoring, several BTS operators implement remote monitoring systems. These systems rely on the GSM signal from the tower they are monitoring. Paradoxically, the most critical failure point in such systems is the GSM signal itself. The underlying foundation of RAZRBTS is monitor real-time health of the generator, fuel level and consumption, ability to plan timely maintenance, and most importantly, remote control of the generators. Our unique selling point is that our solution will have a fallback option to monitor critical values of the generator via satellite, in the event of GSM communication failure. It will also have the added functionality to send a reset command to the transceiver to try to offset a hung state. RAZRLAB. We make cutting-edge solutions.